Hey guys, it's Bihan here. I just want to give you some kind of an understanding about PHP and what I would be covering throughout this entire course. So PHP, we're using it to basically, it's a back-end programming language. So for example, when you're creating websites, you have two sides basically. You have front end and then you have back end. Front end means HTML, CSS, JavaScript, how you see the style here. So for example, if I just move into udemy.com, which is the site that you're taking this course at, this is the front end. This really good profile picture and then this text and then the heading colors and then all these courses that you have. So this is the front end that you have. But for example, when you click on this course and when you start watching videos, those videos need to be fed from some kind of a backend layer where those videos are hosted somewhere in a database, and those videos then need to come out and then get displayed to you. When you're logging in, then your details, your email, your password, those things need to go into the Udemy servers and then get saved, and that's where backend comes. So in order to do backend, you need PHP, because the way how you work with front end is with HTML, CSS, JavaScript. But if you want to do the backend, how to save the data, how to alter the data, and for all those things, you need PHP. For example, PHP is used by 6.5 million developers in the world, and it's actually created by like 1994, so a long time ago, and today it's like the number one when it comes to backend development. It was developed by this Danish Canadian programmer Rasmus Flerdoff, and it is a complete myth that PHP is dying. So PHP is not dying, it is a misconception. PHP is going to be forever for the next, at least for the next 30 years, I'm pretty sure it is going to stay there. So in this program, what I would be covering is the very basics. If you already do know HTML and if you already do know CSS and JavaScript, but you want to get into PHP and don't know where to start, then this is the exact place where you should start. I will be talking about the very basic concepts of PHP in just 2 hours, and after you take this course, you will have fundamentally the very basic primary knowledge about PHP. Once you have that, you can then go and take another course on how you can work with databases, how you can work with authentications in PHP and whatnot. But in order to get that basic understanding about PHP, you need to take this course, because that's what I'll be covering in this entire course. So let's get started.